सो हाय एवरीवन जी, कैसे हैं आप सब। मैं राजन चौधरी मंजिल इंस्टीट्यूट से आज के करंट अफेयर्स फिर से मैं आपके लिए लेकर के आया हूं। सबसे पहले, व्हाट वाज द ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ इंडियाज इंडस्ट्रियल आउटपुट इन अगस्त 2023? 5.7%, 6.0%, 9.1%, 10.3%, 12.3%. So the answer is D. The growth rate of India's industrial output in August 2023 was 10.3%, the highest in 14 months. Okay. Second हमारे पास आ जाता है, which sport won India the most gold medals at the 2023 Asian Games? Shooting, athletics, archery, wrestling, none of the above. So the answer is A. Shooting won India 7 gold medals at the 2023 Asian Games, the most of any sport. ठीक है जी। नेक्स्ट हम चलते हैं। The inaugural edition of the Women Entrepreneurship Platform (WEP) NITI Aayog State Workshop Series on Enabling Women-led Development through Entrepreneurship was organized in which state? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala. So the answer is C. The inaugural edition of the WEP NITI Aayog State Workshop Series was organized in Goa. Next is fourth. Which of the following sectors contributed the most to India's industrial output growth in August 2023? Mining, manufacturing, electricity, infrastructure goods, consumer durable goods. So the answer is C. The electricity sector contributed the most to India's industrial output growth in August 2023 with a growth rate of 15.3%. Next is fifth. Who won the 2023 Nobel Prize in Physics? Katalin, Karikó and Weissman, Pierre, Agostini, Ferenc, Krausz and Wheeler. C है Mongi G. Bevendi, Louis E. Bruce and Alexei I. Ekimov. And the D is John Foss and the E is Narges Mohammadi. So the answer is B. Pierre Agostini, Ferenc, Krausz and Wheeler. Done. Next हमारे पास आ जाता है sixth. What was the rate of India's retail inflation in September 2023? 5.2%, 6.56%, 6.83%, 9.94%, 11.85%. The answer is A. India's retail inflation in September 2023 was 5.2%, the lowest in 15 months. Okay. Next हम चलते हैं जी seventh पे. Who won the 2023 Nobel Peace Prize? Katalin, Karikó and Weissman, Pierre, Agostini, Ferenc, Krausz and Wheeler, Mongi G. Bevendi, Louis E. Bruce and Alexei I. Ekimov, John Foss, Narges Mohammadi. The answer is E. Narges Mohammadi won the 2023 Nobel Peace Prize for her fight against the oppression of women in Iran and her fight to promote human rights and freedom for all. Mohammadi is an Iranian human rights activist who has been imprisoned multiple times for her work. She is a founding member of the Defenders of Human Rights Center and a Nobel Peace Prize nominated organization that works to promote human rights in Iran. ठीक है जी। नेक्स्ट है एट्थ. Who is hosting the P20 Summit 2023? Parliament of India, International Parliamentary Union IPU, United Nations, all of the above या none of the above? So the answer is A. The 9th P20 Summit 2023 is being hosted by the Parliament of India in cooperation with the International Parliamentary Union, IPU. Next हम चलते हैं 9th पे. What is wage growth moderation? A slowdown in the rate of wage increases, an increase in the rate of wage increases, a constant rate of wage increases, a decrease in the rate of wage increases, या फिर none of the above? The answer is A. Wage growth moderation is a slowdown in the rate of wage increases. So the next is 10th. What is the theme of the P20 Summit 2023? Parliaments for One Earth, One Family, One Future, Sustainable Development Goals, Sustainable Energy Transition, Women-led Development, Transformation in People's Lives through Public Digital Platforms. So the answer is A. The theme of the P20 Summit 2023 is Parliaments for One Earth, One Family, One Future. Is it? आगे हम चलते हैं 11th पे. What is the theme of the 10th Vibrant Gujarat Summit? Gateway to the Future, Vibrant Gujarat, a growth story, Gujarat, investing in the future, Gujarat, a global investment hub, या फिर none of the above? So the answer is A. The 10th Vibrant Gujarat Summit carries the theme of Gateway to the Future. This theme underscores the state's vision for the future and its role as a gateway to investment and development opportunities. ठीक है जी. Next हम चलते हैं. What is India's ranking in the GHI 2023? 111th, 107th, 102nd, 81st, 97th. So the answer is A. India's ranking in the GHI 2023 is 111th out of 125 countries. Next is 13th. Which organizations prepare and release the Global Hunger Index, GHI? UNICEF and WHO, Concern Worldwide and World Hill Life, FAO and UNESCO, Red Cross and Oxfam, Save the Children and Care. The answer is B. The GHI is prepared and released by Irish NGO Concern Worldwide and German NGO World Hunger Hill Life. Okay. Next आ जाता है हमारे पास 14th. Which of the following is a global treaty designed to protect and sustainably utilize wetlands of international importance? The Ramsar Convention, the Kyoto Protocol, the Paris Agreement, the Convention on Biological Diversity, none of the above. So the answer is A. The Ramsar Convention is a global treaty designed to protect and sustainably utilize wetlands of international importance. Next is 15th. What is the current policy repo rate set by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) according to the recent announcements? 6%, 6.25%, 6.50%, 6.75% या फिर 7%? So the answer is C. The RBI has maintained the policy repo rate at 6.50% in the current meeting. Is it? So thank you so much. हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर लीजिए, लाइक करिए, फॉलो कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए. आपको और किस तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए हमें कमेंट में जरूर बताते रहिए. थैंक यू सो मच. बी हैप्पी. टेक केयर.